Liberty Mutual's disability insurance operation got bought by Lincoln Financial. What does that mean for you? I'm John Tucker. I'm a disability insurance attorney and I handle disability insurance cases all across the United States. I've handled cases for nearly 30 years involving Liberty Mutual or their subsidiary called Liberty Life. Recently, though, they were bought by Lincoln Financial, another insurance company. So what does that mean for you? Because you're probably watching this video because you have a Liberty Life or a Liberty Mutual claim. Every time we see one insurance company buy another insurance company's book of business, people get terminated. Now, I'm not telling you that's what's definitely going to happen to you, but what I can tell you is that Lincoln is going to increase the claims investigation on those cases they took over from another insurance company. So when they took over those Liberty claims, you might see more forms. You might see adjusters calling you more. You might not see doctors behind the scenes looking at your claim, vocational people behind the scenes at Lincoln looking at your claim, trying to find ways not to pay you. You also certainly won't see them tracking you on social media or on the internet to see if they can find anything about you that would let them say you're not disabled. Beware of that additional claim investigation. Beware of a private investigator following you. Even when you've been on claim for a long time. I have a client named Jim who was cut off after being on claim for 13 years. 13 years, and they said he's no longer disabled. Pay attention to what's going on in your life and know what's around you, but do a better job of documenting what's happening with your disability, particularly if you've been on claim for a long time, because people can get tired of that and they get lax in documenting those things. Go to the doctor regularly. Tell your doctor what's going on. Use examples of simple things in your life that you have a problem doing. Tell your friends and family what types of things are still causing you to be unable to hold down a job, to be unable to work. And keep a disability journal. That can never hurt if you keep a record, even if it's just a spiral notebook, writing notes about when you're having a bad day, what's going on, some details that would allow you to remember what's going on. Because if Lincoln writes you a letter that says they had a private investigator follow you 3 months ago, you may not remember what happened that day unless you made notes. And then you'd be able to explain what was going on when they tell you, we're going to cut you off because our private investigator says you can do more than you've told us you can do. If you have a problem with Lincoln investigating your claim, or you just have questions about this takeover of the Liberty business, call us at the number on your screen. I'm John Tucker. Thanks for watching.